Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block pop-up ads on your Google Chrome. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Google Chrome. Now click on three dots, press on settings, scroll down, go to site settings, scroll down, here you can see the option of pop-up and redirects. You have to press on this. If you want to block these sites, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to block pop-up ads on Google Chrome. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.